Okay, so here I'm gonna show you how to take apart your Xbox. Two things that you'll need: torque wrench. It's got the star shape on it, and something small enough to fit inside the vent holes of the Xbox. Alright, so here we go. First, take off your hard drive. Then you're gonna want to take off your faceplate. Just snaps off. Alright, now you take the thing that's small enough to fit inside these vent holes, and the top part that was on your hard drive, just kind of stick that in there and pop it to the left. Same thing. And then if you look inside the vent holes, you can see where this part sticks in, and you just punch those out. There's that part. And then you flip it over on this side. Same thing. Just one in the front, and then there's one in the middle. And then there's one at the end. And then you do the other side. Alright, so hold on a second. Alright, there's that part. Alright, now for this part, you're going to turn it over to the back side where the plugs go in, and there should be 7 slots right there. See those little holes? You're going to take a flathead screwdriver, small enough to fit in there, and punch those out. Just going to punch those out so it kind of splits like that. Now do the other side. Alright, so it pops out like that. Then you flip it over to the front, and there are 4. There's one right here, one in the middle, one right there, and then there's a little one right there. You can use your fingers if you want. You just pull these up, lift it, lift that one, and then you just kind of take that off. So that just lifts up right there. Alright, you're done with that. Now what you need to do is take your torque screwdriver and unscrew these screws. There's 6 of them. Yeah, and they look like this. They're axle looking screws. So you unscrew those. There's one in each corner. On my Xbox they're black, but I've heard that they're gold or silver in other ones. So you just want to unscrew those 6. Alright, then you're going to flip it over, and right here, this is your eject button. You're just going to take this, and it's connected, and you can just kind of take it off. You don't even have to pry it off. Alright, then you flip it over like this. No, wait, keep it like that. Alright, and you just lift this part up gently. Alright. That's how to take apart your Xbox.